In this video, I want to show you an image optimization WordPress plugin that will take your image optimization to the next level and convert it to the optimal optimization format, and also enable you to resize your image on the fly, regardless of whether your website visitors are viewing your images on a mobile device or on a desktop. And this plugin is called Imagify. Just as a side note, this is literally my favorite name for a plugin, regardless of what it does, because Imagify is kind of poetic because yes, it's image, like as in images, but it also sounds like imagination, and images can inspire imagination. So it's like kind of hinting at images and imagination together. I think they really nailed the title of this plugin on this one. Of all the plugins I've ever seen, the name of this one is my favorite. As you can see, I went under plugins, add new plugin, and I searched for Imagify, and it's the first one that comes up. It's a pretty standard plugin. It has a lot of great reviews. You click on install now. After the installation completes, you click on activate, and immediately there are a couple of setup steps. Let's do them together. So create an account. Let's say sign up is free. Enter your email to get your API key. So I'll enter my email, and some people will think like, ooh, he's actually showing his actual email on the screen. Oh no, what's going to happen? Well, what's the worst that can happen? You're going to sign me up for a million spam messages that I already get? Or maybe you'll send me a message and say hello. That would be actually nice. So I'm not afraid to show my email. Maybe I should be, I don't know. In any case, I'll enter my email here. It says your account has been successfully created. Check your mailbox. And then I have an email that says, welcome to Imagify. Congratulations on creating your account. Please confirm it and set your password by clicking the link below. So I'll do that. I'll click that link. Now you enter your password and verify your password. Click on reset my password. Now you've set your password, you can log in. So you go to sign in and log in with your email and password. Log in. And let's say I have some images that I want to compress. So I'm just going to upload one. And let's say it's going to be this image. It has a size of 2 megabytes. So I'll just drag it over here. And as you can see, it compressed it within seconds, and I can easily download this image. Now for my integration into my WordPress, I have to enter my API key. To get your API key, it's under your account and you say API integration. And this is your API key. You copy that. You go to your WordPress, you say, I have my API key. Then you enter your API key, say connect me. It says, congratulations, API key is valid. Now you can configure the Imagify settings to optimize the images. Great. So now you can go to the third step and click on go to settings. So you can configure your Imagify, and then you click on configure it and go to settings. Under settings, you have some options like auto optimize images on upload. Yes. So you don't have to really even think about it. Back up your original images. That's a good idea. Lossless compression. I like that. It just basically gives you good compression without losing the image quality. And then under that, what's very cool is you go to next gen image formats. And if you're not familiar with these like AVIF, WebP, let's actually explore what these are. AVIF is a new image format designed to offer significant improvements to image quality and file size compared to traditional formats like JPEG and WebP. So this is the latest and greatest in image compression and optimization for speed. So we toggle to AVIF, click on display images and next gen formats on the site, use everything else as default, choose the images that you want to resize, leave it as default, and on the bottom, make sure you scroll down and click to save changes. It's going to give you a little message like settings saved. And while we're still working through all the settings of Imagify, just in case you have many images on your website and you want to optimize all of them, there is an option for bulk optimization. If you scroll down all the way, you will see a button that says save your current changes and go to the bulk optimizer. So let's go to the bulk optimizer. When you scroll down, you'll see this option to Imagify them all. And it says here, all images greater than 2 megabytes after resizing will be optimized when using a paid plan. So this is a paid option, but again, it's only if you have a very large website with a lot of needs for bulk image optimization. So I'll click this Imagify all, and I do have a paid credit here. So I'll just show you how it works. You say start the optimization. And of course, if you have many images, it might take a little while, but it will do that. So I'll click start optimization. Then it starts working in the background. This took a couple of minutes for me, so I just fast forwarded this video to the moment when this completes. And so it gave me some results. As you can see, I optimized 16 images. I saved approximately 35% of image size. And then it showed me the breakdown of what happened to my images. I had a lot of errors for some reason. Hopefully you don't have errors. And on this website in which I'm doing the example, I don't have that many images to really optimize. But in case you have many images, you can upgrade whenever you want. And just so you're aware of the limits, there is an option to upgrade now to paid. So let's explore what those options are. If you have a very large website, it's just a few dollars a month to optimize a lot of images, because 500 megabytes is a lot. So for new sites or smaller sites, you can keep the forever free plan. It's going to be fine for you. But there is an option if you have very hefty image optimization requirements and you really want to take your image optimization to the very next level, then you can do that for just a couple of dollars a month. And there's even a discount code 10 off, which I'll put on the screen, that you can use at checkout. That's going to give you 10% off. But that's only if you ever need bulk image optimization. But for most people's needs, the free option is just fine and will take your image optimization and with that improve your site speed a whole additional level.